And here, this is pretty much the home screen of the application. Very easy to use. At the top here, pretty much where you go to select your servers. And if I do tap on the option at the top here, it will ask for connection request. Let's tap on OK, or I can tap on this here to pretty much connect to the VPN connection. As you can see, it will take a while to connect. And once it's connected, you're pretty much good to go. So at the top here, you can tap on, as you can see here, VPN is connected. I'm not sure why it does say connected. I've pretty much gone through a bunch of these VPN application. I don't remember their name, but they're very similar in layout and style and pretty much everything. As you can see here, it's pretty much connected right now, and it's full of ads. So most of these VPNs are pretty much full of ads. As you can see here, just skip off that here, and we will see a bunch of ads here. So just accept the ads. So once you're connected, as you can see here, they only give you 2 minutes of connection time. So this is just basically the 7th time that I've reviewed a similar VPN. I'm just letting you guys know how to use it, and if you want to use it, I'm not sure why so much people don't use the application here and still using it. But anyways, this is the video, and once in time I finish, you pretty much have to connect the VPN again, and then you're gonna see a bunch of ads, which is pretty much useless. So I would recommend you using this application here. And that's it, guys. See you in the next one.